Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib, and today in this tutorial video we'll learn how we can configure WinCC runtime in the full screen mode and how we can configure the minimum and maximum option in the runtime application. So as you can see that in last tutorial we'll configure just startup which screen should be start. So as you can see this screen is not coming over the entire uh, page like entire screen. So how we can configure as a full screen mode? So we'll see. So we'll just stop this application and then here computer right click property and then come here in the graphic runtime and select it from here the full screen, and after that just press OK and then just press run. What is the purpose of the full screen mode? Sometime our client requirement, the operator should only see the operator should only have the access of our runtime application. Operator should not have the access of the other Windows components or our operating system. So this is one way we can restrict the client, like we can select the runtime in the full screen mode, and after that here only the few ways, like the start key is the main way through that the operator can go in the operating system. So there's lots of some script and some tools and some registry a, editing method is there. You can like this if I the press the Windows start key, as you can see from here you can navigate to other operating system for files and folder. So if you disable the Windows key, then operator cannot uh, go in the operating system file and folder. So like that, we can restrict operator in the only just one screen. So as we configure the full screen mode option, so you can see the now the our graphical page that we created is coming over the entire screen. So we'll just press again Windows key and then CC Explorer and we'll stop the application. So now uh, what we want, like we'll we want like the title over the our application, and then minimum and maximum, and like we want some status bar, and that's it, and press OK and run the application. So now you will see the in runtime application upper right corner minimum maximum option will be appear, but in the full screen mode those options was not available. As I explained before, full screen mode we are usually using like to restrict the operator. So here you can see we got it here the title bar, and here below is the status, and we can like maximize it and we can minimize it. So some option also available, like if we never want to we never want like a should not able to close the application, so we can restrict it also. Suppose for example, right click here property runtime. So if you never want to resize, you never want operator should resize the application, click it here. You never want operator should drag move the application in over the screen, the minimize maximize option, close option. So if I will click it, then in that case, operator should not able to close the application. It will just run and you will see. So here you can see previously minimum and close option was appearing. Now I'm going to click close. It's not able to close. Now I'm not able to minimize or maximize. Okay. So it's depend on your client, how the client requirement and how you want to configure the runtime application. So I will just stop this application. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video.